friend Brendan is in the bathroom right now, doing his business. And when he comes out, Pat over there is going to say, hey, get me a drink or something stupid like that. Get me something out of the fridge. I'm going to hide in the fridge, pie him in the face.
Smells like flowers and shit. That's so bad.
You grab me a drink, please?
What?
Grab me a water.
Alright. Fucking asshole. This is my fucking persuasion. I was gonna fucking wear this fucking blinker.
Oh my god! That's most of his face. I didn't have a shirt. I guess it's his favorite shirt.
Get the fuck out of here.
Open the door, open the door.
Please stop this.
You got it on your shirt.
I was going with this for the fucking
You're going to wear my shirt. I wear a
Get
shirt.
the fuck out of here. Please, just get the
No, no.
Please, just get the fuck out of here. I'm serious. I'm fucking serious.
Let me see your shirt. Let me see your shirt, big boy.
It's his favorite shirt.
The fuck am I gonna wear?
Are you serious right now?
I think he's crying.
Brendan, it's okay.
I fucking planned this whole thing out.
What are you gonna wear? You gonna wear a sweatshirt instead?
You have to do this. You obviously don't care about my fucking possessions, so why the fuck am I even here?
I think he's crying. He locked the door. He won't let us in.
Let us in.
Oh, Brendan, I'm crying too. Come on, hurry up. Brendan, seriously, come on.
Fucking watch this right now. Fucking watch.
What the fuck? Are you alright?
Fucking wash that right now. Wash it.
I'm not washing it.
Fucking wash it.
I'm not. What are you, a fucking baby?
Fucking wash it. Fucking wash it. It's so fucking funny
No,
now.
honestly.
It's so fucking funny now, huh? Is that your favorite shirt? Fucking asshole.
So I started out to be a good fucking joke, but it's not fucking funny anymore.